Shuangou Ceramics is founded in 2012. It's a professional ceramic company that integrating production, design, and sales. After 10 years of development, I think one of the facts that we're unique is that we are keeping innovation. We know very well that only continuous innovation can maintain the development of the company.
Since 2012, we focus on tiles and swimming tiles and so on. We have the advantage of stable productivity and high quality product. We have our own factory with a stable production line. After more than 10 years of development, we have a deep understanding of the importance of product. We always want to make sure that every customer can get tiles that satisfy them from us.
As a mosaic tile factory, what we are doing is to put more and more beautiful mosaic tiles to the market. Someone has to do this. This is the only way to make the mosaic market moving forward.
My job is not just about selling our mosaics. One of my important missions is to ask people what they want. When my customers describe their ideas, I wrote it down and I talk in the designer meeting and see if we can make it out.
Our designer will collect different beautiful elements from the nature because we think the natural beauty is the ultimate strength. Our marketing development will regularly ask for the opinions from our clients about the culture of beauty of different countries. We will have regular new product meeting every week. That is when our salespeople and the designer meet together to communicate and discuss. We encourage employees to share their thoughts and ideas. After the combination of various opinions, we will decide which graphic we pick, and then we pass our decision to factory and put the new product into market.
At the same time, we collect clients' opinion from time to time. What elements do they like and what is the culture in their country? Because different countries have different culture, and what I want to know what happened. When their cultural elements meet our mosaic tile, then I collect all those information and see what we can do for them.
The difference with Shuangou Ceramic is we have professional design. Our innovation design and technology are in the leading position in the industry. Today, our product covering more than 50 countries. Shuangou can support customers with a strong and stable production capacity. We understand that customers have many choices on ceramic tiles, and we hope to be the company that allows customers to trust and protect customers. We understand that product quality is the life of the company. Therefore, Shuangou Ceramic go through strict process from raw material procurement to product delivery to ensure high product quality. And we have strong company culture, and that's the soul of our organization.
Innovation is a concept we have always maintained, and this concept will also be instilled in every employee of Shuangou. We always go above and beyond to make sure our customers' needs are well taken care. We will fulfill customers' demand, given the call and email. We will treat them very carefully and do our best. Shuangou's goal is to become an excellent ceramic tile manufacturer in the world.
We are proud company. We are proud of our people. We are proud of our products. We are proud we can produce and sell it together. For a complete list of our products, please visit our website shuangoutiles.com. Thank you.